The saying, a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. And with this part, the province of Vigan needs no introduction. Ask around the whole of the archipelago. When they hear the province of Vigan, what comes next is, wow, longanisa and bagnet? To people who favors this dish, knows this yellow meat creation that secretes yellow edible oil. It may be small in feature, but it's distinct from another longanisa in the country. It's definitely sumptuous and mouth-watering.
Wala, di ba kilala sa Vigan ng longanisa? Marami pang bumibili sa inyong, hindi lang dito sa taga-Vigan, hindi sa marami.
Ay, marami anak. Maraming bumibili. Nagde-deliver pa kami sa Parañaque. Yun, kinukuha nila, pinapak namin, tapos pinapadala sa Partas. Nung bata ko, marami yung mga unang nagtitinda dito. Sila nga ang unang ng longganisa, ginaya lang ng ibang lugar. Dito talaga ang original, ginaya lang sa ibang lugar. Yun ang talagang totoong istorya.
May longganisa sa Vigan.
Oo, matagal na.
Another meat product, unequaled, is the very crunchy and delicious bagnet. A sure winner in any meal you may mix it with. This product, known for being Vigan's own, is kind of pricey because of the process it is done. You can see that in almost all the stalls in the meat shop here in Vigan, bagnet is for sale. It's nearly 5 kilos in weight and can be served in strips, in cubes, and even straight up crunchy style. No one can deny after tasting this, you will be impressed and will be hooked in trying out this creation.
Nung pangbata kami, original kasi sila eh. Tapos nung nalaman nila na masarap, ginagaya na sa ibang lugar.
Gaano ka nakatagal nagtitinda ng
Siguro mga 12 to 13 years. Yung pamilya na asawa ko, dati na silang gumagawa ng bagnet at longganisa. Tapos nag-migrate sila sa US. Dinarayo ang bagnet kasi talagang masarap. Tsaka ang longganisa, naiiba kasi ang lasa.
Another delicacy that is simply hard to miss is the ever-famous empanada. This is the local version of the Spanish galaga, or in other terms, the taco. Vigan's empanada is a crowd drawer, local and visitors alike. They have different versions of this meat pie, size, fillings, and even color. Empanada is really delicious and filling.
Ano po masasabi niyo sa empanada dito sa Vigan?
Aba, naku, napakasarap talaga. Kagabi, kumain na naman kami dito ng empanada. Ngayon, tanghalian na naman, nandito na naman kami. Napakasarap talaga ang empanada sa Vigan.
empanada dito sa Bigan dahil masarap. Tapos, nung bata pa ako, kinakain ko na to eh. Palagi kong hinahanap-hanap kasi galing rin ako sa Hawaii. Kaya wala namang empanada dun sa Hawaii. Dito lang sa Bigan. Ibang-iba talaga yung empanada dito sa Bigan.
This is the good part about the culture here in the province, because it will always remain a constant. The taste and flavor that satisfies the palate, whatever generation it may be. Coming up next is the traditional games that we used to love, and the latest invasion of the technological advancement in the province.